Good morning. Today's devotional, Rebuild Your Marriage, Part 3. Forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors. Matthew chapter 6, verse 12, New King James Version. Other translations say to forgive others' trespasses. To trespass means to go where you're not supposed to and do what you're not supposed to do. Infidelity, dishonesty, and other wrong things are among the trespasses we may experience. Without the ability to practice forgiveness, even for the little things, it's hard to offer or receive the grace of forgiveness. To forgive means to admit to ourselves that our partner is not perfect, and neither are we. To fail to forgive is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Forgiveness not only releases your spouse from your anger and hurt, but it also lets you out of its grasps as well. It's impossible to stay married without learning to practice forgiveness. We need it not only for each other, but to have a relationship with God, since God is in us and in our union. If the barrier between you and your marriage partner seems as big as a mountain, then pray believing you serve a mountain-moving God. Jesus said, "Assuredly, I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, 'Be removed and be cast into the sea,' and does not doubt it in his heart, but believes that those things he says will be done, he will have whatever he says. Therefore, I say to you, whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you will have them. And whenever you stand praying, if you have anything against anyone, forgive them, that your Father in heaven may also forgive you for your trespasses. But if you do not forgive, neither will your Father in heaven forgive your trespasses." Mark chapter 11, verse 23 to 26, New King James Version. Have a blessed day. Not to take away from the expression of rebuilding your marriage, but forgiveness is important in any type of relationship.